Have you ever understood? Shikha, why you fold the hair? Why a Brahmin fold the hair here? The day you started folding the hair means you are only in one mission of connecting this to here. There is nothing else. No one in India carries such a legacy, and you carry such a great legacy. And all of us in India now, we make mockery of our saints, we make mockery of our caste, we make mockery of our existence. And if we take pride in making a knot, to make a knot is to remove the knot, unfold the knots of your heart is called a knot. Why this knot? It is to break the heart is a knot, Hridaya Grandhi. Matrix movie when you see, in the shlokas, last shlokas of the Rig Veda, there are the 4 or 5 shlokas. My daughter's blog, it is having, you read, and it is written, the knot of the heart, how it is broken by observer. And Shikha, or the Sikha here, is for that. A Brahmin folding Shikha. Shamelessness when we don't understand what it means. Simply we chant every day, we utter the words. But what is shamefulness? That's why am it is? Because without this education, there is no Gayatri. Now you understand what you understand about Gayatri. Without understanding, how can I initiate you into the Gayatri? Tell me. Without educating you, how can I educate you? This is a way to initiate you into the Gayatri. If I don't explain it, hey, Kumar has given some wonderful mantra here, very powerful. Why mantra becomes so powerful? Understand. Vishnu Brahma Shirah Vishnu Hridaya Rudra Shika Prithvi Yoni. You are born on this planet. You are born from, you are a mammalian. Yonija, you are born from vagina. Diyo Yana. Explaining. Tatsavitarvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Diyo Yanaha. What is Yanaha is explaining. People, meaning of Gayatri is first understand. The meaning is explained here. Who is a Devata, who is a Deva, and what is connecting? Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhimahi. What is Dhimahi? 3. What are those? Brahma Shirah Vishnu Hridayam Rudra Shika Dhimahi. What you are this. Your job is to connect. Why? Diyo Yonah. Having born from here, second birth you need. This is only first birth. By default, you are born on this planet. Prithvi Yonah. This earth is born only to nurture you, for only to realize that singularity. Our entire evolution is only for human. As a human, your mission is only to accomplish that. Prithvi Yonah Diyo Yonah Prana Pana Diyo Yonah Parichodayat. What is Parichodayat? How you are born again? How you connect? He is explaining. Prana Apana. Inhalation. What connects you? Prana Apana Vyanodana. Udhana. Prana. Apana. Apana. Every day we say. Vyana. Sarvam Vyaptitam Vyana. Udhana. 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 Samana. Samana Saprana Shvet. Purification. Shveta Varna. Becoming choiceless. When you purify every element in you. When you dissolve all elements, Varna Sankhyayana Gotra, Sankhya Darshana, your Gotra, Sankhyayana Gotra. Gayatri follows the Gotra of Sankhyayana. Sankhyayana. Who is Sankhya? Hiranyagarbha. Who is the first Brahmin? Kapila, Hiranyagarbha. Hiranyagarbha, the one who conquered it. And Sankhya philosophy, observer, Gayatri mantra is observe inside to become a choiceless. Pranashveta varna Sankhyayanas gotra. Forget about your gotra. The moment you are initiated in Gayatri, your gotra is your observer, Sankhya. Count. Sankhya means count. The number of days that is taking you to get enlightened. Count every day. You must count. Your meditation, count. Validate. Be a scientist. Sankhya sagotra Gayatri Chaturvinshatyakshara. Shatyakshara. Tripada Shatkukshighe. 400 letters. Chaturvim Shatyakshara. What is this 400? Shatyakshara. Akshaya. Akshaya. Akshaya means Akshara. Immortality. Technologies of immortality of removing all the 4 Vedas and all 4 Vedas and all 4 Varnas and all these 4, all Sadhana Chatushtaya, all these are meant for Aksharas. All Gayatri represents everything. 4 letters, 4 Varnas and 4 Sadhana Chatushtaya, 4 Vedas it represents and 400 things it represents. The goal is only Akshara, immortality. Tripada, only 3 steps. Brahma, Vishnu, Rudra. Only Tripada. Shatkukshihi, the 6 holes, 6 windows. Shaddarshanas, Shatkukshihi, Arishadvargas, conquering all the 6 emotions. They are called Kukshi. Kukshi means very small. Your job is to finish the desire, the 6 negative desires, the negative qualities that represent the desire has to be conquered completely. Shatkukshihi panchashirshopanayaneh, controlling the 5 sense doors. And you are all antakaranas. Panchashirshopanayaneh. Upanayana is to conquer the indriyas first. Mind, sense doors. 5. Panchendriyas. To control Panchakarmendriyas. The day Gayatri is initiated and your karmendriyas, your legs and your arms should not do any unworld. They should not walk you to the restaurant. They should not walk you to the movie theater. They should not walk you for any indulgence. They should only walk you to the monastery, that's all. Panchendriyas, not driving Panchakarmendriyas. That's what Sankhya is all about. Everything is in your control. 24 tattvas is explaining. One is explaining Panchabhutas, Prana, Apana, all. And he is explaining all 24 tattvas is explaining. Your legs, Panchendriya, Panchatanmatras, and Panchatanmatras, Panchakarmendriyas, 15, plus 4, 19, plus Panchavarna, 5 elements, and 24. Totally 24 24 things, 24 tattvas, purification. Whatever you are doing is for the purification, for realize Sankhya Yasa Gotra, to join the Gotra of the Sankhya. So to get enlightened. Samukha, same Sankhya and Gotra is called Samukha Gotra, shortcut. But it is not Samukha, it is Sankhyayana, Sankhyayana sa. Panchashirshopanayane viniyoga. This mantra is only to use it. Use it only for this purpose. This is what Vasishtha said. This is what Vasishtha said. Then Vasishtha telling the mantra. Bhurbhuvasvah tatsaviturvarenyam bhargo devasya dhimahi dhiyo yo nah prachodayat. Om bhuvah om suvah om mah om jana om tapah om satyam tatsaviturvarenyam bhargo devasya dhimahi dhiyo yo nah prachodayat. Om apojyoti. Your job is only to throw water on the fire. Apo jyoti rasamrutam. In other words, what flows by default is only flood of chemicals, unwanted. Ice cream generates spoiling chemical, and a movie you see spoiling chemical generated. Excitatory neurotransmitter, damaging, consuming oxygen. By default, all the floods created inside are only damaging. Rasa, juice, enzymes, neurotransmitters, hormones. They are called rasa, juice. Even in medical language, juice means only this, rasa. The one who has control on this rasa, the one who generates only good neurotransmitters, the one who has a perfect neurotransmitter balance, perfect hormonal balance. Yoga means harmony, balance. The one who has a perfect balance of enzymes, called Amrita, he lives healthy, he is eternal. Rasamritam Brahma, superfluid state. Right now our fluid is entropy. It is affected by gravity, it is affected by dark energy, it is affected by dark matter. When you go beyond LXI, superfluid state, and a yogi is a superfluid state. No dark matter, no energy, no gravity, no dark energy affects him. It is beyond singularity. Singularity is beyond these three. Singularity means where there is no gravity, where there is no dark matter, and where there is no dark energy. That's called singularity. Om apojyoti rasamritam brahma vasuvara or brahma bhurvasva mahajana tapasatya vasuvara means the entire field of existence you go beyond. Brahma, when you accomplish this, this is the meaning of the Gayatri. So today, I have initiated you into the Gayatri. This is a way to get initiated into the Gayatri, this mantra. And you must chant Prathama, today is the first day. The first Gayatri, first mantra should start with the Gayatri only. Then other mantras follow. Next comes Rama mantra, next comes Shiva mantra, Mula mantras come. We learn, continue to learn, but understand, I may not, to get initiated into a Mula mantra, root mantra, I have to explain you entire mantra and little bit of into seed mantra, the difference into root mantra. This is the root of the root mantras is called Gayatri. Every Brahmin, as a secret, he is supposed to practice. Unfortunately, practice is a secret always, and because you are not talking about experiences. Meditation is not to talk about experiences. It you have to observe until you finish your job. But unfortunately, so Gayatri is, the question is, your practice should be secret, not Gayatri should be secret. People don't understand the meaning. And what is the point? When we don't practice Gayatri, when we don't understand the Gayatri. Now you read the meaning of Gayatri, 1,000 books, 1,000 ways they will explain. When you don't experience, how you will explain, tell me. So you have to experience the fields of consciousness, and each one, again if I go, Gayatri, Om Bhurbhuva, Om Bhu, Om Bhuvaha, Om Suvaha. Bhu means including 7 hells, 4 hells, 7 hells. 4 hells, and the last hell is divided further into 7 hells. There are the 5 planes, Bhu means, Bhuva, 3 planes, Ashtadikpalaka Loka and Tvantrai Loka and Shaka Indra Loka, called Swarga Loka, 3. Bhuva, Suvarloka begins there. And again, Suvarloka means Bhuvarloka, Suvarloka. Suvarloka means for the 3 planes, Yamadharmaraja Loka, and next Loka, 3 Loka, Suvarloka, Bhurbhuvaswaha. Then you, when you meditate, like Vishwamitra, when you sit and meditate on the breath, that's what he is telling. Prana, Apana, using the way to connect is only the breath. He is telling you, when you do the breath, when you observe the breath, from gross breath to the subtler breath when you go, and when you develop Nana inside, develop. Maharloka, first Samadhi, 3 Brahma Lokas, then comes Rudra Lokas, then comes Vishnu Lokas, Maharlokam, Janarlokam, Tapolokam, Satchalokam. And all 3 into 3, so 3 into 4, 12 planes of consciousness. Beyond that, another 4 planes of consciousness. Beyond that, another 4 planes of consciousness. That is, the field of consciousness Gayatri Mantra represents totally 31 planes of consciousness. Represent 3 principal planes of consciousness, Kama Loka, Rupa Brahma Lokas, Arupa Brahma Lokas, Rupa Lokas, Kama Lokas, Bhurbhuvaswaha, including Patala, these are called Kama Lokas. Then comes Rupa Brahma Lokas, Brahma Vishnu, and Rudra Lokas, Rupa Brahmas, Rupa Brahma Lokas, and then comes Arupa Brahma Lokas, non-immaterial forms. 3 principal planes of consciousness, 3 lokas. 3 loka means not Bhurbhuvaswaha, 3 loka means Kama Loka, Brahma Rupa Lokas, 12 planes of consciousness, these represent 5. And these represents, so Satchaloka and to these represent 3 into 4, 12, plus remaining 31, so 17 and 12 planes of consciousness, and then remaining in this another 4 Shuddha Lokas, Sudarshana Lokas, and then comes another 4. And when you see it, when you read this, and so when you read the 12 is 3 into, so 3 into 4, 12, 12 plus 4, and 12 plus 4, 16 plus 4, 24. And here this is not 5, this further 5 plane, this is only 5th plane of consciousness, further down. And when you compare Bhurbhuvaswaha, This is only fifth. These are 12 only Maharloka, Rupaloka, Brahmalokas. In between again 5, Bhuvarloka, Suvarloka. Bhuvarloka is 3, again Suvarloka is 3. Now the count is complete. This is Bhu, this is Bhuloka, this is Bhuvarloka, this is Suvarloka, and this is Maha, Jana, Tapa and Satya. And this is Sudarshana Lokas. And these are beyond Sudarshana Lokas. These are totally 5 plus 3 plus 3 plus 12 plus 4 plus 4. 31 it comes. These are the 3 divided into these together 1, these together 1, this together 1. Understand? Principal planes of consciousness. When you say Gayatri, why Vasishtha endorsed, when you read Vyasa Bhashya, so because Patanjali has taken from Yogacara tradition, and Vyasa, who has written a commentary on Patanjali Yoga Sutra, and he knows from where it comes, then you will find this classification. The ancient Sanskrit Vedic classification of the planes of consciousness. What is Bhuloka, what is Bhuvarloka, what is Suvarloka, and what is other lokas down, and what are, so Maharloka, Janarloka, Tapoloka, Satyaloka. Now no one wants to even know about it. Pity is. As if you already know. Simply you say, Oh Maha. I will practice first Samadhi. If you attain, you are called Maha. Bhurbhuvasva means only yama. You are maintaining only yama, niyama, asana, pranayama, pratyahara, dana, dhyana, samadhi, ordinary thing. Then when you scrupulously practice, when you attain first samadhi properly, watching your natural breath called Maharloka. Then second samadhi, Janarloka. If you are practicing third level of samadhi, your breath stops. Then you say Om Tapa, Om Satyam. Your heart also stops. Oh, heart also stops. You are connected. That is Satyam. Tatsaviturvarenyam. Tatsaviturvarenyam. Bhargo Devasya. Your awareness. And you finish the observation of that field of entropy, heat, entirely, everything is a Bhargo. Thermodynamics, everything is run by the energy. Entropy is nothing but energy. When it completely goes to extinct, E becomes zero. When everything ceases to exist, what makes it zero? Universal love or egolessness. E means entropy less, ego less. Super love, E means super love. Unconditional love, you call it, in terms of Einstein. And when you finish that job, and then comes, so Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi. Dhimahi means what you are? Your job is to connect. You are this. Brahma Shiraha, Vishnur Hridayam, Rudrashikai. There is a way to connect. Dhimahi. Diyo Yonaha. Prithvi Yonaha. We are born as a human. On the 5 elements are there. This is the best place to dissolve all 24 elements. Diyo Yonaha, having born with this hardware, this software, all of us we can achieve that. Diyo Yonaha, what we can achieve? Prachodayat, Parichaya, Udayat. You can be born a new person. Again, you can be born Dvija, you are an enlightened person. All 24 elements, you dissolve one after the other. Parichaya, one after the other, the truth, subtler. And you realize, Prachodaya. Om Apo Jyoti Rasomritam. You are changed, there is no fire in you. Already entire fire is extinct. Because fuel is extinct. Rasa, and your chemistry is in your control. Only elixir flows. Brahma Vasuvaram, you have gone beyond all these planes of consciousness. No more. At what level of Gayatri you are? Are you at simply Om Bhurbhuvasvaha? Or are you practicing a samadhi like Vishwamitra, 1000 years to attain Om Maha, next 1000 years, Om Janaha, next 1000 years, Om Tapaha, next 1000 years he meditated to attain fourth level of samadhi, Om Satyam. Tatsavitarvarenyam. At what level you are? Are you at least at a level of Yama? If you are chanting Bhurbhuva Swaha means Yama, Niyama, Asana, Pranayama, Pratyahara, Dharana, Dhyana, Samadhi is intact. Ashtanga Yoga, other 15 limbs you are not yet practicing. So Gayatri Mantra means practicing. Sadhana, sadhana, sadhana. This is the root mantra to remove all the roots. This is the root mantra to remove all the roots. But having worn that sacred thread many times across my shoulder, I tell you, and I practiced it scrupulously. I know the Gayatri is the first mantra I am initiated in the ashram. But every time I am initiated, I am gauging myself where I stand. Even after attaining the fourth samadhi, oh my God, Satyam, but where is Apo Jyotirasomrutam? Brahma Vasuvaram. My search is for where is the fire, where to extinct the fire. Gayatri Mantra is not just Om Bhurbhuva Swahama Jana Tapasachya, but Apo Jyotirasomrutam Brahma Vasuvaram Parichodayat. Until I came across a guru and who really gave me the parichaya. Otherwise I would have remained still aparchita, not parichita. Gayatri Mantra is saying parichita, parichodayat, not aparichodayat. By default we are aparichita. We have to go to parichita. This is the initiation of the Gayatri Mantra I told you. Bhurbhuvasvaha tatsavitarvarenyam bhargo devasya dhimahi dhiyo yana prachodayat. How to do the Gayatri, I have shown you. While doing Surya Namaskara, while doing Pranayama, while doing meditation, everywhere Gayatri is there. Ajapa Gayatri, Maha Gayatri, Gayatri, Maha Gayatri, Ajapa Gayatri. Everything is only Gayatri. Meditating on the breath is a Gayatri. Breathing is a Gayatri. So, Diya yana prachodayat. Everything is Gayatri. There is no mantra without Gayatri, with pranayama. Without pranayama, there is no mantra. Mantra means soham, inhalation, exhalation, breathing. Means Gayatri is there in every mantra. Without Gayatri, there is no inhalation, there is no exhalation. There is no mantra without inhalation, without exhalation. There is no Gayatri without inhalation, exhalation. Gayatri means soham, inhalation, exhalation. At the end, where you say Diyo Yonaha, where you say Dhimahi, where you say Savitarvarenyam, where you say Om Bhu, Om Bhuvaha, inhalation, exhalation. Om Maha, inhalation, exhalation. That is only the way. Yajnavalkya explaining, wife Maitreyi. What? Initiation into Gayatri. Today what I explained it here. And further, how to breathe in, how to breathe out. It is not Matrika, how many times you hold, how many times you do. So slowly, you will understand, but my purpose of teaching you yoga is not just, this is not a Gayatri Upasana. Again, Gayatri Upasana, Sahasra Gayatri, all that, let us not label it, but I just want to make you clear. Breathing in pranayama, breathing techniques in Hatha Yoga Vaidika Kriyas. This is Vaidika Kriyas, not Tantra Kriyas, Vaidika Kriyas. So, Hatha Yoga in the Vaidika Sampradaya, how it is practiced, how the pranayama is practiced. So, very powerful. Even the meditation is the powerful. Japa Gayatri is more powerful than Japa Gayatri. Japa Gayatri is more powerful than ordinary Gayatri. Mahagayatri is more powerful than ordinary Gayatri. Gayatri, Mahagayatri, Japa Gayatri, Ajapa Gayatri, one superior to the other. The whole purpose is that's how you start. That's how you start. Gayatri, Mahagayatri, Japa Gayatri, Ajapa Gayatri, then you go into the enlightenment. That's the entire process of from gross to subtle journey. That's how the root mantra of the Gayatri should be. Every day I have been chanting now for last almost a couple of classes the Gayatri. There are many styles of the Gayatri, many ways of chanting, but the main important thing is understanding its meaning, inhaling, synchronizing with the inhalation, exhalation, then only it connects. Otherwise, it won't connect. So understand. Asya Sri Gayatri Mahamantrasya Vishwamitra Rishihi Gayatri Chandaha Savita Devata Agnirmukham Brahmashiraha Vishnu Hrudayam Rudrashika Prithiviyonihi Prahapana Vyanodana Samavasa Pranashvetavarna Sankhyan Sagotra Gayatri Chaturvidham Shatchakshara Tripada Shatkukshihe Panchashirshopanayane Viniyogah Om Bhurbhuvasvaha Tatsa Vidurvarenyam Bargo Devasya Dhimahe Diyo Yonaha Prachodhayat. While explaining, I chanted. This is for understand the Chandobadha. Short matra, eka matra. It is dvimatra. Asya Sri Gayatri Mahamantrasya Vishwamitra Rishihi Gayatri Chandaha Savita Devata Agnirmukham Brahma Shirah Vishnu Hrudayam Rudrashika Prithvi Yonihi Pranapana Vyanodhana Samanas Pranashvetavarna Sankhya Sagotra Gayatri Chaturvidham Chaturvimshatyakshara Tripada Shatkukshi Panchashirshopanayane Viniyogah Om Bhurbhuvasvaha Tatsaviturvarenyam Bargo Devasya Dhimahi Diyo Yonaha Prachodhayat. Asya Sri Gayatri Mahamantrasya Vishwamitra Rishi Gayatri Chandaha Savita Devata Agnirmukham Brahma Shiraha Vishnu Hrudayam Rudrashika Prithiviyonihi Pranapana Vyanodana Samanasa Pranashvetavarna Sankhya Sagotra Gayatri Chaturvim Shatyakshara Tripada Shatkukshihi Panchashirshopanayane Viniyogah Om Bhurbhuvasvaha Tatsaviturvarenyam Bargo Devasya Dhimahi Diyo Yonaha Prachodhayat. Om Tripadam Gayatri Mantropasanam Karishyami Diksha Karishye. This is a way, 3 times chanting the Gayatri, and there's a way, the Upasana, there's a way to give the Diksha to all of you. So henceforth, you are eligible to read Gayatri, otherwise you are not eligible to read Gayatri. Having understood the meaning, again listen and listen, again today what is explained, understand, explore, practice. Make journey with me. It is not, I am chanting in the roof. What is Maha? What is Jana? What is Apo Jyotirasomritam? It is a practice. And continue your journey with me, and one day you will reach there. Understand, that's only the way to do it. It has to be initiated. Brahmanyo Brahmavidvaraha, the one who is fully enlightened. The Vasishtha is explained. The Vasishtha is called Brahmanyo Brahmavidvaraha. So the one who is among the great of the Brahmins is the great. Why? Because he discovered Vishwamitra. He discovered Gayatri. He discovered Gayatri. He discovered Vishwamitra. He discovered Gayatri. And Vishwamitra found his Guru. Otherwise, Vishwamitra would have been like a Ravanasura, the great Brahmin. But the great Brahmin Ravanasura, you see, how he has become an Asura, how he has become a Kshatriya. But now you look at how a great Kshatriya, like Vishwamitra, how he has become a great Brahmana. Understand. The journey from Brahmana to the Asura, story of Ravanasura. The story of Vishwamitra, Kshatriya to the Brahmana. All of us, we should become a Brahmana, not from Brahmana to Kshatriya, Kshatriya to Vaishya, Vaishya to the Shudra. No. The journey is from the other way around. All of us, we are eligible. It is all of the human quality it is. Wow, what is the greatness of Vasishtha is only that. He is explaining. So he is telling, unlike, the same Vasishtha, Ravanasura is existing. And why he is not praising Ravanasura? And is Vasishtha praising Ravanasura or is Vasishtha praising Vishwamitra? All contemporaries, isn't it? Vasishtha is praising Vishwamitra. Understand the message. And Vasishtha should, if he is a Brahmana Priya, if he loves his caste, then Vasishtha should have praised all the time Ravanasura. Rama praised, again Kshatriya, but not Vasishtha. Have you seen anywhere Vasishtha praised Ravanasura? No, not. He doesn't even want to glance his face. All that Vasishtha, Vishwamitra, what they tried. Why Ravanasura? Because when Rama wanted to marry Sita, and it is Vasishtha and Vishwamitra will, it is not Rama will. And they know the impending danger of Ravanasura in that courtyard. In that courtyard, Vasishtha is there, and all that Ravanasura knows, it is these old gurus, and these Vasishtha and so this Vishwamitra, he can't do anything, unfortunately. That's why he kept quiet. His anger is on them, but he is too small to take upon Vasishtha or Vishwamitra, because they trained Rama. So that's why he wanted to take, because he is young, Rama is young. Had he gone behind Vasishtha or Vishwamitra, he would have tarnished, he would have been burnt in a wild way. But they are the saints, they are fully enlightened ones. So they prepare, they want to fight in a legitimate way, in non-violence way, not in a violence way. That's how the Ramayana is great, because this Gayatri comes from there. Gayatri comes from there. From when Gayatri is coming, and again Vasishtha is explaining, Sankhya Sagotra. Much before Ramayana is Sankhya, understand? Sankhya Sagotra, Samukha Gotra. That's how, if you have to understand about Gayatri, there's so many, entire spirituality is in it. Entire Ramayana is in it. Entire Ramayana is in it. That's why it is the greatest of the greatest mantras, and we must uphold the legacy of practicing it and practicing yama, niyama. If you are initiated into a Gayatri, you are not supposed to ahimsa, satya, asteya, brahmacharya, aparigraha. You have to be very, very scrupulous. If not, better not to chant Gayatri. Understand? Don't chant Gayatri. Don't wear Upavita. I am not wearing Upavita, I am telling you. And if you are wearing a Upavita, Yajñopavita, and you are doing this means unacceptable. Understand? And whoever is wearing this, I am only this. That's what I give that importance to your sacred thread. So if you deserve it, you will. But for me, anyone wearing the sacred thread, that's what I am teaching. And you have to only worship them at any cost. Because the thread represents the breaking the threads, knots. String. The first postulation of the string theory is this. The one who first realized everything is ruled by string. String is nothing but a wave. String is nothing but a duality at the micro level. And that's why they said it's all about the string theory. That's why they wear string across the shoulders. Far away from understanding the string, very far away from understanding the meaning of the knot, so far away from removing the knot, from far away in breaking the knot here and connecting here, using the awareness, Saviturvarenyam, Bhargo Devasya.